Church's Texas Chicken, known for its southern-style fried chicken, offers a variety of flavorful menu options, including spicy chicken, honey butter biscuits, and unique sandwiches like the Tex Chicken Sandwich. Customers often praise the brand for its bold flavors, affordable pricing, and comforting side dishes such as mashed potatoes and coleslaw. The restaurant chain has a solid reputation for delivering consistent quality and service across its locations. Clean, family friendly environments, and helpful staff also enhance the dining experience, as noted by reviewers. However, some customers report inconsistencies in food preparation and service quality depending on the branch. While the chain strives for innovation and customer satisfaction, these occasional issues may detract from the overall experience. If you enjoy bold South style flavors and crispy fried chicken, Church's Texas Chicken is worth a try. Keep in mind though that experiences can vary based on location, so checking reviews for specific branches is recommended.